Welcome to another Asset Services tutorial. In this video we are going to demonstrate the second method of creating a learning graph, where we start from the learning materials and associate them with learning outcomes, and these with the learning graph. So let's first create some learning materials. We have the first learning material with this title, some description, format docx. We can upload some files, mode, EQF level, range of trainees, institution, location Greece, and we click save. Our second learning material has this title and this description, format. Let's upload the file, mode, EQF level, range of trainees, institution, and in Greece. The third learning material has this title, this description, this file, mode MOOC, EQF7, range of trainees, institution in Greece. And let's place one more learning material with this title, this description, format, this file, mode, EQF. Okay, we have now 4 learning materials. So let's now create some learning outcomes. We have the first learning outcome with this title, this description, and as learning materials we're going to use some of the learning materials that we created earlier. So learning material, introduction, okay, and so, and we click save. Let's create our second learning outcome with this title, this description, and as learning materials we can use this and this, and we click save. So we have 2 learning outcomes, and let's now create our learning graph. The topic is this, thematic field, energy efficiency for industry. The description, and as learning outcomes, we are going to use the learning outcomes that we created earlier. Each one of them contains some learning materials. So we have this learning outcome, and this. We can place some keywords such as life cycle analysis, industrial design, analyze energy consumption, and we click save. Finally, we can see our learning graph, which we created with that bottom-up method. Here we can see the learning outcomes of our learning graph. Each one of them contains some learning materials.